Mabuhay! Kamusta po kayo? If you happen to be new here, I am Melanie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And thank you for clicking in this video. And I hope you have fun and stay right there because we're doing a transformation of this face of my face that I will just give you a short story that I work 9 to 10 hours a day and I wake up around 6:30. So I have a long day. That's why I think I look like this. That's why I want to show you how I transform myself to look like I didn't do anything in this day. So if you want some tips on how to look fresh after working for 8 to 10 hours, I think this video is for you. Let's get started. So I already did my base. I'm using the Pearl again, always my Pearl foundation and a little bit of Sephora Naked concealer, and I mixed it so that I cover all of the marks that I have. So look at that, it's already covered, and this is only one base. But if I would like to cover it more, if you have the if you wanna cover it more, full coverage, make 2 times of your base, okay? 2 foundation. And then what you can do is, before you apply everything and you want to look fresh, start with the concealer, okay? This is how I do my concealer. Concealer is our partner when we are tired and we did not get enough sleep. So make sure you have concealer to cover those puffy eyes. Then start with this. Clean it. Please consider to subscribe, click the bell notification. Thank you. What I'm suggesting you to do so that you look fresh, make sure you make your eyes alive and open by when you put your eyebrows, when you do your eyebrows, make sure to clean it properly with some concealer or foundation. Sure to clean it and make it flawless. It seems like you just woke up. That's the look that you're trying to achieve here. See, it's looking good now, even though I don't have the full makeup. Just put concealer here, covered your eyes with concealer, make it look like you just woke up. And that way, when you put eyeshadow, it will be easy and it will be sticking properly on your eyelids, okay? So let's put, to make it look like you just woke up, you're looking fresh. Just put a very nude color, simple color like this one. Okay, nude color. Okay, let's start with that nude color. gonna be your first base. So it doesn't look like you're going to a party. You just want to look presentable, okay? That's what we are aiming for this video, to look like presentable, that you're just going to work, but in reality you're already done working. So that's it. Then put your second one and final. I will do 2 color only. So I'll use the darker tone, which is this one. This one. Just blend them together. Done, and what you can do is put the second tone here to open your eyes, look like simple. I would suggest that you don't need to use eyeliner. Just use something that is lighter than dark brown, or this one is gray. Just put it down there, line there. So that it won't look harsh. See? And final for your eyes is your mascara. This is the color of my eyes. Very simple, look, right? That's what you can do for your eyes to make look like it's fresh. Now let's complete my makeup. Do this that way. It will look natural when you apply it on this side. We're aiming for fresh looking. Done. And then for your lips, make them pop. Make it them bigger, look bigger, but still lip liner. But before you use your pencil lip liner, use some lip balm. to moisturize your lips, then use your eyeliner. If you want to shape your lips like that, this is the technique. And then this one is 2-in-1, so you can use a lip gloss or lipstick and blush. So I'll put a little bit. And that way, just put highlighter to end your makeup. Here. There, your nose, here, here. Right, I am done. And final touch would be the pressed powder if you have one. But if you don't, you don't need to. But if you let's do the final touch to set the makeup properly. Technique: put some here, here, all done. Fresh and look like I didn't work. I hope you guys I hope you guys got some ideas on how to look fresh. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, bye for now.